Scene 1. Member Management. The theme: Trust and Safeguarding. Next up on our dashboard tour is the Members screen. This is the heart of your community's safety. At the top, you'll find pending requests. For every member, you have the power to grant a teal tick. Think of this as your personal seal of approval. It tells the rest of the group that you've met this person in real life and they are the real deal. You'll also see options to suspend or delete a member, tools we hope you'll never need, but they're there to keep your space secure. Moving down, we have event hosts. These are your lieutenants. An event host can help you plan and run specific events without having keys to the kingdom. It's the perfect way to share the workload without giving away full control of the group. Finally, at the bottom, you can appoint a co-admin. Use this for people you trust completely, as they'll have the same full access to the group settings as you do. Scene 2. The communication screen. The theme: Growing your tribe. Now, let's look at the communication screen. This is where your group finds its voice. The first tab lets you email all members in one click. Whether it's a big announcement or a last-minute update, this ensures nobody is left out of the loop. If you have someone specific in mind, the Invite tab lets you send a direct email invitation with a personal note. But the real secret weapon is the sharable join link. If you're moving a tribe over from another platform, just switch this link on and share it. Anyone with this link can bypass the search and join your group instantly. You can keep track of everyone who has joined via an invite or a link in the final tab. Scene 3. The Content page. The theme: Logistics and History. The last stop is the Content page. This is your command center for everything happening in your group. Under Upcoming Events, you get a bird's eye view of your RSVPs, event status, and whether you've announced the event yet. The View button is your shortcut to jump in and tweak details on the fly. Below that, your past and cancelled events provide a full history of your community's journey. This is a goldmine if you want to duplicate a successful past event to save time on setup. In Events locations, we store your favourite haunts. The best part? If you update a location here, it automatically updates across every live event using that spot. And finally, if you're joining us from another platform, our import tool at the bottom is designed to make moving your event history across as painless as possible.